Iran and the United States held a fifth round of talks in Rome on Tehran's nuclear program amid uncompromising rhetoric on both sides. The talks followed previous negotiations in both Rome and in Muscat. Fuzail Ahmed reports.
The fifth round of talks between the United States and Iran were held in Rome on Friday to resolve the dispute over Tehran's nuclear ambitions. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi and Trump's Middle East envoy Steve Witkoff led the talks from Iran and the US sides. However, doubts over success of talks persisted. Iran's foreign ministry raised questions over US positions.
Given the contradictory and inconsistent positions we have heard from various American officials over the past week, as well as the new round of sanctions against the Islamic Republic of Iran, it is natural that these issues will certainly be raised very quickly and seriously with the other side at the outset of the indirect talks.
Israel's ambassador to the US, Yishai Leiter, warned Iran cannot have a path to nuclear weapons.
President Trump has been very clear. Our Prime Minister Netanyahu has been very clear, and I think they're in lockstep on this. Iran cannot have a path to nuclear weapons, and as long as they have the option of enrichment, there's no need for enrichment.
Earlier, the fourth round of talks were held on the 11th of May this year in Muscat, Oman. Indirect and direct discussions lasted over 3 hours. These talks were described as more serious and straightforward by Araghchi. The US reiterated its demand for no enrichment and dismantling of facilities in Natanz, Fordow, and Isfahan, while Iran maintained enrichment as non-negotiable. Since returning to the White House, US President Donald Trump has been pushing for talks, asking Iran to completely stall its military nuclear program. Amidst calls for talks, President Trump has also been rationing up sanctions. He's also suggested, in case the talks fail, a military strike by Israel or the US targeting Iranian nuclear sites. Fuzail Ahmed's report, DD India.